YouTube, what it do? Out here about to do this Tesla Model S real quick, real fast. About to knock it out. We in this magnificent neighborhood. One of my clients that I always do all the time. I'm walking across the street, so I gotta go back and forth. But one of my clients I do all the time. Just waiting on him to get home. We're gonna knock his vehicle out. It's gonna be a great one. Most likely it's dirty because I haven't did it in a while, so I'm gonna show you everything and show you how we clean these Teslas up, man. If you got a Tesla, holla at me. We'll get them right. We'll make it look shiny and good and ready for your next trip or road trip or car show, whatever you want to utilize your car for. We'll get it together. All right, so he just pulled in. We got the Model S, as you can see. But let me find out you be shooting them craps. Man, strike you, man. You gonna owe me another $100. So this how's everything looking. Back not too bad, but we gonna get the back right too as well. But you see how dirty it is though. Now you can see all that dirt on it. We're gonna have that bad boy shining and looking amazing though.